Hi, and welcome to Financial Money Coach. I'm Keith Youngren. Financial Money Coach is pleased to announce our 501c3 nonprofit organization offering. FMC staff have years of experience with animal rescue. Animal rescue operations are usually operated by individuals with a passion to help suffering animals find quality homes. They do so on a shoestring budget, sacrificing their time and finances. These operations will benefit as a nonprofit organization, but the cost may be too expensive. FMC has developed a comprehensive instructional video series describing the process these organizations go through inexpensively, the steps, the process to form a 501c3 nonprofit organization and gain IRS approval. They are now in a position to accept tax-deductible donations to assist in their animal rescue funding. FMC has taken it one step further. We have formed our own nonprofit organization, FMC Animal Rescue. We will be accepting tax-deductible donations and determine other animal rescue nonprofit organizations meeting our criteria to assist in their funding on a nationwide basis. We pass the funding through to these organizations. Animal rescue operations, upon submitting proof they are involved in animal rescue, may purchase the instructional video series for $49, avoiding the professional fees for IRS submission. Organizations not involved in animal rescue may purchase the instructional videos for $149.